There's a good chance you eat this stuff every day. It's used to make things from bread to cereals and even pasta. Yep, I'm talking about wheat. Hi, I'm Dr. Lee from the University of Queensland, and I've developed a type of super wheat that's resistant to disease and can grow really fast. Wheat is one of the most important crops here in Australia and overseas. But over time and with changing weather conditions, wheat has had to deal with lots of issues, from disease to something called pre-harvest sprouting, which makes the wheat unusable. But because it takes so long to grow, trialling new wheat varieties takes a long time to see results. So we were inspired to make these plants grow a little faster. The inspiration came from NASA, who were working on a project to grow wheat in space. Their plan was to use a lighting system to make the plants think that it was daytime 24 hours a day. And that's exactly what we are doing here. These lights trick the plants to continue growing all day and night. So we know how to get it growing faster. Now we need to work out how to make it resistant to different diseases. And that's what we do in this glasshouse. Here we infected different plants with common wheat diseases to see which ones are the most naturally resistant to them. Some of these plants are less affected. Then we study these plants to see which genes make them so tough. We do a similar thing with pre-harvest sprouting, a problem which is brought on by rain and causes the wheat to be inedible. This is the part of wheat that we want to use. If it starts to sprout, we can't grind it up to make food. So we place wheat seeds in petri dishes to see which seeds have the tendency to sprout before harvesting and which ones don't. Another thing that can make a wheat crop more successful is narrow roots. This is because they can grow longer and are better at getting water from the ground. We study the roots through clear pots as the plants grow. So we put the wheat to the test, and now we can work out what qualities we want in our crops. And through picking and choosing the best plants of the pack, we can crossbreed and hand-pick the genes that make the best wheat. Then we end up with a bunch of wheat that we've given a few pretty cool characteristics, and we've grown them extra fast. You could say we're creating the superhero of wheat varieties.